You've heard a lot about this revolutionary SUV that will completely redefine luxury EVs, but now I want to take you up close to explore the remarkable design and innovative technology for yourself. Designed to energize all of your senses, the LYRIQ represents the dawn of a new era for Cadillac, an all-electric SUV charging towards our electric future. In every detail, LYRIQ is the rare convergence of art, technology, and performance. An all-electric SUV that can only be described as the Cadillac of EVs. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at the future of Cadillac together. Building on more than a century of innovation and automotive experience, Cadillac LYRIQ introduces an entirely new kind of Cadillac, and with it, the privilege to define what American luxury means to an EV buyer. First off, let's take a look at the new face of Cadillac. With LYRIQ, exterior design is no longer limited by the constraints of internal combustion engines, like airflow requirements of the grille. This enables design without limits. Without the need for a traditional grille, LYRIQ features a black crystal shield with an all-new finishing technique to create illumination, depth, and detail. From first approach, LYRIQ recognizes the driver and greets you with a choreographed lighting sequence with 736 exterior LED lights that animate as you approach and walk away from your vehicle. The Cadillac signature vertical lights uphold the past, yet captivate with new artful integration. Cadillac's first all-electric SUV will first and foremost be a Cadillac. Built on GM's new Ultium platform, LYRIQ will deliver the performance you expect from a Cadillac. As a structural element of the body chassis system, the Ultium platform enables near instantaneous torque, which delivers a fun-to-drive experience and great performance. The near 50-50 front-to-rear weight distribution of the vehicle provides a lower center of gravity, which results in a vehicle that's sporty, responsive, and built for spirited driving. LYRIQ will offer a Cadillac estimated 340 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. Cadillac LYRIQ introduces the brand's new design language and previews the craftsmanship and technology to make a dramatic statement about the future of the brand. LYRIQ has very bold and luxurious proportions. When you look at the side silhouette of the vehicle, you see a very expressive shape. The exterior design is assertive and modern with a low, fast roofline and a wide, confident stance. We know that range is one of the biggest factors when it comes to selecting an EV, which is why we're designing LYRIQ to offer more than 300 miles of range on a full charge based on Cadillac testing. And when charging on the go is necessary, LYRIQ will offer DC fast charging rates up to 190 kilowatts at public charging stations. To put charging into context, this is up to 76 miles in 10 minutes with DC fast charging. LYRIQ will offer two wheel options. Standard are the 20-inch split 6-spoke alloy wheels with diamond-cut dark android finish and gloss black aero inserts. Through the use of a precise reverse rim machining process, the optional 22-inch wheels we see here echo the striking scale of the LYRIQ show car, delivering a larger visual appearance while maintaining refined ride dynamics. LYRIQ has a full glass roof, which redefines the concept of a panoramic roof. Its rail-to-rail glass is complemented by a power interior sunshade. The LYRIQ may be an EV, but it's still an uncompromising SUV. There's a generous 60.8 cubic feet of max cargo space, and the flat folding 60/40 second row seats offer freedom and flexibility. LYRIQ's interior design breaks convention to bring the sensual and the technical together. The goal of the LYRIQ interior is to create a partnership between the driver and the vehicle, where the vehicle can seamlessly improve the driver experience. Intricate laser-etched patterns through black ash wood show brilliant backlight design. AKG brings studio sound to the LYRIQ, which features the Cadillac-exclusive AKG Studio 19 speaker sound system. It provides sound that's precise and clear from distortion. All speakers are placed for sound optimization, including speakers in the front head restraints, ensuring all passengers have an immersive audio experience. A flowing interior design incorporates Cadillac's first production application of a large, curved, seamless LED display. The curved 33-inch diagonal advanced LED display allows for a more comfortable and driver-centric experience. Artfully integrated into the vehicle, the display has the ability to emit over 1 billion colors. Again, LYRIQ was designed to embody the very height of Cadillac design and innovation. So of course, hands-free driving sets you free to enjoy the journey with available Super Cruise, the industry's first true hands-free driver assistance technology for compatible roads. LYRIQ was chosen for Cadillac's first EV as it's a poetic, expressive name inspired by our rich connection to the arts, especially music. The Cadillac LYRIQ harnesses the energy of motion and delivers a truly choreographed multi-sensory experience. Thank you so much for joining this tour of the all-electric 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ Debut Edition. If you have any specific questions about the limitations of the features discussed, please feel free to visit Cadillac.com.